The GSE Leak Location Conductive Suite is the leading technology for performing electric leak location surveys. This system minimizes leakage through geomembranes during construction and makes leak detection easy, cost-effective, and dependable. It consists of GSE Leak Location Conductive Liner, an innovative installation technique enabled by our patented ISO-Edge tool, and our S100 Spark Tester, which is designed for testing even the most challenging surfaces. Installing the GSE Leak Location Conductive Liner is similar to installing a standard HDPE or LLDPE lining system. There are a few added steps that are essential for construction quality assurance, including isolation of fusion seams, patches in the perimeter at anchor trenches, and connectivity of panels and patches. The following guidelines are to be used in addition to the procedures outlined in the Leak Location Conductive Installation Guidelines. Additionally, make sure to follow local safety guidelines and directions per the engineer of record. To properly install the Leak Location Conductive Liner, an ISO-Edge and its respective inserts are required. The ISO-Edge is a patented tool designed by Solmax specifically for installing GSE Conductive Liner. Contact your regional sales manager for information on obtaining an ISO-Edge for your upcoming installation. During installation, you will also need an auto-ranging multimeter, welding machine, utility knife, and protective gloves. Before performing the leak location testing, the GSE Leak Location Conductive Liner must be deployed with the conductive surface of the liner facing down. If you are using a geomembrane with a white finish, the conductive side will always be the black side. The liner will install with the white side facing up and the black side facing down. If you are not using a geomembrane with a white finish, the best way to confirm which side of the liner is conductive is by using a multimeter. Ensure the multimeter is set to the resistance setting with auto-ranging turned on. To perform the test, place both metal probes onto the same side of the liner, while making sure to not touch the metal parts of the probes with your hands. If this test is performed on the conductive side of the liner, the meter will show a value of resistance on the screen. If this test is performed on the non-conductive side of the liner, the meter will display OL.